Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the glassware cleaning methods. Using the organic solvent are often used to remove the contaminants from glass. Basically, if it can be readily dissolved in an organic solvent, it can be removed by these means. The use of organic solvent is complicated due to their flammability and toxicity. When working with the solvent, proper ventilations and appropriate PPE, suitable gloves, compatibility with the solvent are necessary. Moistening a cloth with the solvent is good for easy access surfaces. Agitating solvent inside of the glass container is another method. Glassware cleaning method, aggressive cleaning methods. If the mild, aqueous and organic solvent methods described above are not effective, then the aggressive cleaning methods is adopted. This method involves the releasing the adhered material contaminant by removing the top layer of silicon oxide of the glass. It can also be done by oxidizing the material itself from the glass surfaces. This can be achieved by soaking the glass in 2% hydrofluoric acids or a base bath, sodium or potassium hydroxide in either the ethanol or isopropanol before rinsing and cleaning in detergent. Glassware cleaning method. The aggressive method is achievable due to the borosilicate nature of the laboratory glasswares as the lactic acid attached to the silica layer of the glass. Oxidizing contaminants from glassware, often the residue on the glass in insoluble or organic solvent surfactant soluble or mild acidic solutions. At the point, one of the common ways to clean the glass is to oxidize the contaminant in order to render it soluble. Oxidizing agents include the aqua regia, nitric acid, and the chromic acid, with, which is a sulfuric acid base agent. Peria solutions, hydrogen peroxide based agent, fuming sulfuric acid, which contain the pyrosulfuric acid. Next, neutralization and disposal. Neutralizations of these aggressive baths is not a trivial method. This is largely due to the volume of the bath. Commonly employed, extreme care must be taken and appropriate PP must be worn. No one should be this neutralization without the proper training. The laboratory safety officers, quality control officers will help with the process of reviewing the procedure. Glass cleaners. Detergents are the best example the Alconex. They can be used for hand washing, soaking and automatic washer. Always use the soft brushes. Always rinse the glass well and do a final DI rinse. Glass cleaner. Chromic acid or the chromage. It is a great cleaner and also remove the organic residue. Use the gloves and the well ventilate the area when using the chromic acids as it is a carcinogen and very corrosive. Make sure the metal clamp or the flanges are removed. It is best to fill the vessels or soak the item in the solution for a short time in a plastic tube and so that you can contain the wash material. Then rinse them immediately several times before proceeding to a detergent wash. Make sure the residual chromic acids is diluted after use and disposed properly according to your local or company regulation. Glass cleaners removal the grease. Grease is the best removed by the boiling the glass in a weak solutions of sodium bicarbonate, acetone or any other organic solvent can be used alone. Also followed by the several water and the DI water